Dear students, welcome to this new course, Low Voltage Circuit Breaker Designing. My hope is that by the end of this course, you have a new appreciation for the subject matter and will continue your education in the subject. Hi, my name is Sadiq Hussain and I will be your instructor for an hour in this completely online course. In this course, you will learn about circuit breaker. So, first let me start by telling you about me. I am from India and I completed my bachelor's degree Electrical and Electronics Engineering in the year of 2015. Now, I am working as a project management consultant and as a designer in the field of electricals. If I am talking about the overview of this course, first understand the title of this course, that is Low Voltage Circuit Breaker Designing. First we have to understand these three words: low voltage, circuit breaker and designing. Classification of circuit breaker can be made based on voltage, construction type, interrupting type and structural features. But here I am going with respect to the voltage only. So according to this, circuit breaker can be classified as low voltage circuit breaker, medium voltage circuit breaker and high voltage circuit breaker. Basically, at the consumer end we have the voltage level 230 volts or 415 volts. If I am talking up with respect to India, okay, then the voltage level at the consumer end will be 230 volts or 415 volts with respect to India. So this voltage is considered as low voltage. Okay. Next we have the word circuit breaker. Circuit breaker is an automatic switch which provides protection to our electrical system under abnormal conditions, that is under faulty conditions I can say, and it can be operated manually. This will be discussed in detail in further lectures. Okay. Again we have the word designing. If I am going with respect to the electrical designing, then I can say designing relates with appropriate size calculation of electrical components. So you have to calculate the size of circuit breaker according to load. If the size or type of a circuit breaker is not appropriate, then what will happen? If the circuit breaker size selection is not correct, then your electrical system will not be reliable, due to which many danger situations may occur, such as fire. Okay, are you getting my point now? Okay, so this is the title of your course, Low Voltage Circuit Breaker Designing. Now coming to the overview of this course. But before dear students, before starting your learning, please download and take a print of this attached PDF booklet. Okay, so let's start with the overview. First we have the introduction part. Here we have the small introduction of circuit breaker. Then we have the operations of circuit breaker. Again we have the types of circuit breaker. Here we will discuss about the different types of circuit breaker and their features and applications also. After the types of circuit breaker, we will go through the parts of circuit breaker, that is miniature circuit breaker, MCB. Then we have the working principle of circuit breakers. Here we are going to discuss according to which principle circuit breaker works, or how it protects an electrical system under faulty conditions such as overload or short circuit conditions, if I can say. Next we have the very important topic, that is specification of MCB or MCCB. This is the very important topic here we are going to discuss. So after all these, we have the calculation part. Here we will calculate the circuit breaker size for a given electrical system. Okay, so that's all about the overview of this course. After the completion of this course, you will find high confidence in your practical life, believe me. Okay, dear students, one more thing I have to share with you. After this small part of a designing field, this circuit breaker designing is the very small part of a designing field. I am going to upload a complete designing course with the name Electrical Designing and Drafting course. In this course, students will learn how to design any residential building and basic commercial buildings. With this, students will also learn AutoCAD and dialect softwares. So you will be able to draft layouts for any project. In this designing and drafting course, I will provide you high quality video lectures, compiled book for overall course, and will share softwares also. So if you want to become a practical engineer in the field of electrical engineering, then join my course. Believe me, you will enjoy that. Okay, so let's move to the first lecture of our circuit breaker designing course.